Hi friends, let's come to lay flat on our backs. When you arrive there, extend your legs out long, snuggle your shoulder blades underneath your back body, tuck in your chin slightly, and allow your hands to just rest on your belly. Breathe in and out. On your next breath in, hug your right knee in towards your chest and interlace your fingers around your shin. Flex through your feet, so toes pointing towards your face. Breathe in and out. On your next breath in, begin to lift your head and your shoulders away from the earth, bringing your nose towards your knee. Breathe in and out. Breathe in. And on your next exhale, begin to lower your head and shoulder towards the mat and then switch. So bringing the left knee in now and hugging that right into our heart space. Breathe in and out. And on your next breath in, begin to lift the head and the shoulders away from the earth, flexing through your toes. Nose towards your knee. Breathe here. Breathe into your belly. And on your next exhale, lower the head and the shoulders back down to the earth. And now hug both knees into your chest, wrap your arms around your shins, and then find a gentle rock from side to side. And then eventually find some stillness, flexing through your feet once again. Breathe in and out. Breathe in to lift your head and shoulders away from the earth, nose towards your knee. So, breathe here. And then out to lower down. And then rocking on over to one side, coming on through to fetal position and making your way up to a seated position. Well, I hope that you found this practice very restorative and yummy. Return to it often. Thank you so very much, everyone. Bye for now.